I hope you're having a great day today. We're going to look at how to do something else with our Chromebook today using Google Chrome. So when we go to Google, we're going to go to the Chrome store. So I could just type in Chrome store, or maybe you could find another way that works easiest on your Chromebook. Okay, so the top thing, chrome.google, web store apps. Once I get in, I'm going to search for a program called Dochub, Dochub. Here we see it's the first one that comes up, Dochub, edit and sign PDF documents. So I'm going to add this to Chrome. And then it says add Dochub, edit and sign PDF documents. I'm going to add the application. Now here we can see my application just popped up. Sometimes it's over on the left-hand side under apps, sometimes it's not. Now it might ask you to allow it. I already added the program earlier on today and tried to take it off and add it back on again. So it might actually ask you to allow it, just like when we added on Screencastify. So Dochub, it's going to open up for us. And it says sign up or log in instantly. I'm going to sign up, and so are you, with Google. And I'm going to use the VB Schools. And at this point in time, this is another time where it might ask you to allow everything. You're going to go through and allow it to access anything that it needs to. Okay, here we can see I was already in there today and I added in something. But we're going to go back through and I'm going to show you how to find it again and how to add in anything that you need to. So let's see. I would go first to start off, I would go new, import new document. And you're going to find it in Google Drive. I will actually have it in Google Classroom where you're going to have to download it into Google Drive first. And you'll create a folder called Social Studies. Actually, I think you already did one. So you will save it in Social Studies before you go through and open it up in Dochub. So right now I have it under Social Studies Notes where I'm keeping it at. And here I can see it's labeled as a PDF. So I'm going to open up the PDF. And a PDF you normally can't write on. But using this program, it's going to allow us to write on the PDF, keeping the same formatting that we used to set up the document. So instead of us having to keep going back and forth in Google Draw and do our drawing that way, this is going to allow us to draw right on the document. Ooh, so here we can see I already added in earlier, here's how you type on a document. Well, I'm going to get rid of that before you use it. And the way in which we'd write on the document is I'd click A for my tools, and then I could go up and just click where I want my writing to be. So once I click, I could give it Mr. Jumper. I could also go through and I notice I have tools to draw. I have tools to highlight. Ooh, here's a highlighting tool. Ooh, that did not work the way I wanted it to. So maybe I could hit my undo and I could try this again. Ooh, still didn't want to. I'm not sure. Let's see. A highlighting box. This should work for us. There, I could highlight over top of something. I could also draw if I need to. Like I could come up here and I could draw on the state of Virginia because I know that's what we'll be talking about. When I scroll down more, I have Virginia's bordering states. I could write those in by using my text tool. Okay, so this is going to allow you to go through and write on top of a PDF document. We have our same tools going across the top, the undo, redo, my pointer arrow, a drawing tool, Ooh, my drawing tool. Now, some of these don't work because it's only with the Pro version, but this is still going to allow us to do what we need to do with it. When I'm all finished, I'm going to go back up, File. Now there's these different options. I could send, make a copy, convert to a template, download. Well, we're not going to download, but instead, we're going to save it to Google Drive. So I'm going to do Save to Google Drive, and that is actually saving it right where I got it from. And here I could do Show in Drive, and we could see where it's at. If you do Save As, which might be your best bet for a few first times when you go through. So maybe you want to do Save As just to make sure that you're not saving over top of anything that you need to. So if I would do Save As, my folders pop up. It says choose a directory to export Virginia Studies Interactive Notebook. All I'm going to do is you'll click on the one that says Social Studies, and then hit Select, and now it's saved. Exporting to Google Docs. I could show it in the drive to make sure that it's there. When my Google Drive opens up, here I should see one that says Interactive Notebook for Virginia Studies. I hope this video helped. Have a good day.